Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin keys and addresses. So, the primary purpose of digital keys, signatures, or addresses is to prove the ownership of Bitcoins. Keys are actually independent of the protocol, which means they can be created and managed without connecting to the network. And even without having an internet connection, you can create your digital keys. They are created in pairs, which means you will get a private key and a public key. Your public key is just like a bank account number and you can share them with anyone. But private key is like a secret pin or your check signature, which means only you can have the access of your private key and you won't be sharing this with anyone. In Bitcoin transactions, you won't be directly using your private keys, public keys, but they are actually represented by their digital signatures, which we call Bitcoin addresses. So, what are private keys? Well, private key is just a 256-bit number generated randomly, and as mentioned before, they will allow you to create a digital signature which can be used to spend your bitcoins by proving the ownership in transactions. So, now, how can you create private keys? Like, what's the method of creating a private key? Well, there are multiple methods. For example, you can randomly toss a coin 256 times and then write the result in binary digits. What really matters is that the method should be random and not repeatable. Some wallet apps may also include human factor. For example, they can ask a user to randomly click the mouse multiple times to create a private key. Now, just to get an idea how big is the size of Bitcoin's private key space, the visible universe is estimated to contain 10 raised to the power 80 items. And this is nearly equal to the size of Bitcoin's private key space, which is approximately equal to 10 raised to the power 77.